In this video, I am going to explain how to remove the duplicates in a list. See here, just don't simply by heart this code, okay? Just try to understand the working flow of the code. I am going to explain it in the very simple way and with every iteration, okay? Here we have a list a equal to 1 comma 2, 1 comma 2. Here I have taken a empty list here. Here I have built a small logic, which means if the element is not already in the result, we add it. If the element is already in the result, we skip it. I hope you understand. Now I will explain it with the every iteration. Okay. Iteration 1. What is the first value here? I equal to 1. Once check here whether 1 is exist in the result or not. No. 1 is not in the result. So the condition is true. So we add it into the result. Next, what is the next iteration here? Yes. I equal to 2. Once check here whether 2 is not in the result or not. No, 2 is not in the result. So the condition is true. Now the result become 1 comma 2. Next, what is the next iteration here? Yes, I equal to 1. Once check here whether 1 is exists in the, in the result or not. Yes, 1 is already in the result. So the condition is false here. The condition is false. So we do not add. What is the next iteration here? I equal to 2. Once check here whether 2 is exist in the result or not. Yes, 2 is already exist in the result. So the condition is false. So the final output is 1 comma 2. I hope you understand. Thank you.